Welcome to Redline Review. The Bavarian carmaker has not yet released a 2026 motorhome, camper, based on information obtained. AI-generated images or concept designs depict futuristic cars. These designs are frequently referred to as BMW MOTORHOME or BMW XC camper online. Conceptual and unofficial details regarding these alleged designs frequently incorporate use electric cars only for short distances, 600 miles overall, 40 miles electric. Connect hybrid drivetrains, such as a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor that produces 375 horsepower. Folding beds, solar panels, auxiliary batteries, leather chairs, induction cooktops, and small restrooms are all features of luxurious camper interiors. It has a rooftop tent with space for 2 adults. Prices vary from $90,000 to $180,000 based on measurements and specifications. Real and inconsequential things status details. No release to the public. The entry of BMW's camper and motorhome has not been formally announced. Images produced by artificial intelligence. There are a lot of concept art and AI-generated videos and pictures online. Despite the striking designs, the textiles are not touchable. The 375 horsepower, 40 miles of electric car range, and 600 miles of hybrid range are based on rumors rather than official announcements. Reddit users are fascinated by design, which contributes to the concept's popularity. The BMW genuine models are generating discussion, memes, and excitement. Why it's unquestionably possible. Observing with the Neue Klasse, advancements in electric vehicle technology, and ramp-ups in manufacturing in 2026, BMW is growing its lineup of electric vehicles. In order to enter the motorhome market, BMW would need to establish new alliances, create new production techniques, and implement significant strategic adjustments, none of which have been made public. The bottom line, BMW motorhomes are well-liked because of their humorous concept, computer graphics, and optimistic fantasies. It's an unreal fixation. Preliminary conjecture from 2025 suggests that BMW may introduce a high-end hybrid electric camper in 2026. The auto industry would benefit from this. At car shows or boutique coach builders, look for upscale concept campers. Some designers might create unique trailers using BMW chassis. What are your thoughts on a 2026 BMW motorhome manufactured by a company? Today, there is only a desired thought.